You don't look too much like a helicopter pilot to me. How come?
Well, if you want to do mainly corporate type flying in New York City, you have to look the part of a corporate. So you have to dress in a suit and a tie and be part of the business world.
So when you're flying with big businessmen, you have to look like a businessman yourself.
You have to look like a professional. You can't look like some ragtag person that just came in off the street to fly a helicopter. Otherwise, they're not going to fly with you.
How many years have you been flying?
Including my military, I've been flying for about 28 years, and I've been flying in New York for about 22.
So you know more about New York from the upside than from the downside?
From the air, I can get around. On the streets, it's a little different story.
But it seems also you get stuck in the traffic jam most of the time, so maybe it's the right way to get around New York.
It's the only way to get around Manhattan, back and forth to the airports, is by helicopter. And going to Long Island, New Jersey, Connecticut, Philadelphia, within a couple hundred miles, it's a great time saver for corporate people.
How come you're not landing on top of the buildings anymore?
Well, they had a heliport on top of the Pan Am building, and they had an accident up there. So ever since they had that accident, there were a few fatalities. They've discontinued rooftop heliports in Manhattan. Other cities in the United States have a lot of them, but with the water and the piers, there's no problem with building heliports away from the major buildings.
For most people, it would be a fantastic thing to go up and see New York from the air all the time. How do you feel about it?
Oh yeah, it's a great way to see Manhattan, especially for foreigners. Sightseeing is a big business in Manhattan. I'm not involved in major sightseeing by helicopter, but there are different corporations in New York that that's their main line of business, sightseeing by helicopter.
Okay, thanks very much.
Okay, great.